putting on the wheels, the coilovers, and see what else we get to. It's about 30 degrees today, so should have good weather to do this. Hopefully all the bolts come off nice and easy. I always have the air compressor in the truck that I could turn on, but let's get to it. All right, I'm first gonna attempt it by hand, manually, you know, just using the tool, not the air gun, because I don't want to wake up my kids. They're currently sleeping and they usually wake up around 9:30, and I have 2 hours. I doubt I could do all the way around by hand. If I had the gun, I could do it in an hour. But we're gonna go ahead and lift up the front and put it on jack stands. All right, as you guys may know, this is like my 3rd or 4th time doing this, so I'm not really gonna be showing you guys what I'm taking off. I'm just probably gonna breeze through it, but this is what it looked like before. And there's a couple of videos. I did an Evo X, I did my Lancer with the coilovers, so I'll probably put the link down below. As you can see, I'm hitting everything with WD-40, because this car looks like it is pretty rusted out. I'm scared to even touch this. I'm scared to even touch that. I'm probably gonna try to hit that with the gun because it looks very, very rusted out. And if not, I'm gonna have to go buy sway bar links and the cutter gun. So like I said, hopefully this all goes smooth. Update. It's probably 1 hour into trying to do the freaking coilovers, and the sway bar link won't come out. It's 3/4 of the way there, but I guess the gun isn't strong enough, or my vice grips can't grab it anymore. But we're gonna go get a blowtorch, 2 vice grips, and some beer.
Modelo time?
Time is it, dog?
Motherfucking Modelo time.
Modelo time, fool.
All right, finally back from Walmart. Went to go buy a torch and a new vice grip, like I said, and finally got the sway bar link out. It was in there, man. I guess the vice grips weren't grabbing that good, so yeah, I had to go buy the blowtorch. Helped a lot, so I recommend, if you haven't changed your sway bar links in 90,000 miles, get a blowtorch if you're gonna do this at home. And luckily I have the gun and a compressor, so it made it a lot easier for me, but I was stressing. All right, so as you guys know, take this part out, these 2 bolts out, and sway bar link. Then we have 3 up here that I should probably spray with WD-40 right now, and then we'll get to it. This has been making noise, which is the strut, what's it called? It's not a strut bushing, whatever it is. Yeah, it's been making noise, so hopefully that goes away with the coilovers. And out with the old. Still riding pretty good, so I'll probably keep them, you know, just in case. And in with the new, don't mind my shoes, sponsored by Nike. Just kidding. All right, so I went with the K-Sport Control coilovers. Here they are. They have the camber adjustment on the top. I think up to like -6 or 7 degrees, maybe more. These coilovers haven't let me down ever. I had these on my first Lancer build, and they lasted me 5 years. You know, look for defects, make sure everything's good on the bushings. It tells you where it goes. It has its sway bar link hooking up, and then it has the brake line thing right there. But yeah, they have never let me down. They ride really good. They get you pretty low, and they're only $850, I believe. And I bought them through Redline 360. Get yourself a discount. I think it's called Save 5. You save 5%. So yeah, here we go. All right, finally got her dialed in. Here is what it's starting to look like, at a 2-finger gap right now, but I'm just adjusting for now and trying to get both sides even. We are on the ground on both sides already, right here. This one's about 2 and a little bit over a quarter, a little bit under, and now we're gonna move on to the rears, but so far we're looking good. Let's see here. Oh my god, it looks so good. All right, now for the part that probably scares me the most is the rear, because mostly everything is rusted. I sprayed it the other day, so hopefully nothing is too bad. We're just gonna take one bolt off right there, and then we should be able to pry there and get that strut out on the inside. There's two more right there and right there. I'll show you right now. All right, 1 and 2. The rears are the worst to get out. You're gonna have to pry down there and get a long extension. That way you can push this assembly down, knuckle down, and then the strut is gonna come out. So just make sure you have a pry bar ready. Alright, pretty much done with the wheels. Still need to fix fitment. Right here I got about 2 fingers of gap. Over there I got about 2.5 fingers of gap. I'm gonna stay with 1 finger of gap for now. Our next video should be installing the camber arms, and then we're gonna do camber on this side. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow, but I will adjust later today, so I will be back by. Oh yeah. All right, hours later, fitment dialed in. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom. All right, we're pretty low to the ground at a really inclined angle. Might have to raise the rear and yeah, just a little bit, but I'm gonna take it out for a spin tomorrow and see how it drives. Let it, you know, sit, because the struts still have to do what they need to do and go lower and whatnot. But man, looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Here's a journey for a Ralliart conversion of a Lancer 2008, and we'll see where it takes us next. So see you next time.